Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your lovely Abda, and tell me if this sounds familiar. कि you open your notebook, try to do your homework, even you want to do, you need to do, but फिर भी somehow you just procrastinate even doing that thing and end up scrolling or daydreaming. And in today's video, we will try to find out that why this exactly happens, like how we procrastinate so much doing the thing we know that important for us. So let's get it started. Basically, procrastinating doing something doesn't mean that the person is lazy. It's literally just our brain. Basically, there are two parts of our brain which make us procrastinate. One is prefrontal cortex. Prefrontal cortex is a part of our brain जो हमारे logical thinking और literally discipline thinking होता है उस पर focus करता है. When thinking about future or making plan or like doing something right now. The feeling that you have that oh my god I need to do this right now because it is important. It is our prefrontal cortex, the part of our brain. The second one is limbic. Limbic is a part of your brain which focus more on emotional thing like comfort and just doing nothing. So this focus on these things. So when we procrastinate, the thing happen is, for example, आपको कोई काम करना है, but your prefrontal cortex is like चलो ये काम कर लेते हैं because हमारे लिए important है, but your limbic focus on more like चलो कल करेंगे. But your prefrontal cortex knows that doing this thing right now is important, but your limbic is also like want to do that thing later because right now it more want comfort, peace. So when your prefrontal cortex, basically when your logical thinking is hijacked by your emotional thinking, it's procrastinate. It make us trouble not doing that thing. As I said that this is literally hijacking, like your emotional thinking is hijacking your logical thinking, wanting it to do it some other day because abhi it want like Netflix chill, it want like scrolling or daydreaming or so jata hai. So it's more like that. And we all know that how much our brain love instant gratification, like doing something right now, sleeping, Netflix chill or scrolling or daydreaming. जो हम अभी कर रहे हैं हमें वो बैक मिल रहा है, हमें वो पीस, हमें वो कंफर्ट और हमें वो अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि हम जो कर रहे हैं वो हमें फ़ौरन मिल भी रहा है. हम टीवी देख रहे हैं तो हमें फ़ौरन ऑफ कोर्स हम देख रहे हैं ना, तो इट इज़ मोर लाइक हम जो चीज़ कर रहे हैं वो हमें मिल रहा है. सो इट इज़ ओके. आर ब्रेन लव ग्रेटिफिकेशन लिटरली इंस्टेंट. इट डोंट वांट कि अभी करते हैं और बाद में देखेंगे. बट जब हम कोई काम कर रहे हैं, व्हेन वी आर वर्किंग हार्ड टू गेट समथिंग लेटर, इट्स नॉट दैट हमें अब वो चीज़ अभी मिलेगा. सो आर ब्रेन लव